you get him?
Yeah. He's tiny, bro. I'm diving.
Oh, look at him run. Oh. So we're going to St. Kilda Playground, and look, doesn't do it justice, but it's huge, and I want to say I feel like a little kid. I'm about to go down it. We're taking this little naughty little girl to the playground, and this is gonna be so much fun. It's really windy, so hopefully you can hear me. Alea, come on. Alea, come on.
Tui, come on, Tui.
Yeah, I'm coming. Faster. Woo! Yeah, you can do it, man. That does not look kid safe. So as you can see by the footage, we saved like a baby bird, and like he couldn't really walk, and then we put him out on the in the grass, and then he found his mom, so that's what that scene is. I got salad in a cup. It tastes like fucking. See ya! See you later! It tastes like fucking shit. Tastes good? Right, yeah. Yeah. Oh, look. Fuck off. Go, dude. Drive. I always said I'd never drink one to every American, but when you want to stay in the conversation, but you don't want to miss out.
Huh? 120, 130 maybe? 530 at the wheels.
When you sit here and you're trying to watch, like, you know, good old Netflix, have a lazy day, but your grandparents are deaf and they play music super, super loud. That's it for today's vlog, though. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, what you think, what I should do. Like this video. Plus, I should have new channel art up.